guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this little hairstyle with these hair. These are basically crochet locks that I'm going to be putting in my hair. We got some hair from Miss Lee Hair and from Amazon, that is. These are the hair. We got like 6 in the pack. Six bundle of hair in the pack, crochet bundle and so forth. So this is actually how the hair looks, and I really like it. It's like 24 inches, guys, so it's extremely long, very long. All right, but I really like it. I was just looking at it so far, you know, just from the texture and so forth. I knew that it was going to like turn out good. Yes, so basically what I'm going to be doing, I could have actually done my hair by myself, but I decided to let my sister do it just because it's going to be a little bit easier and I can just hurry and quickly do this installation and so forth, just for the, you know, to take away the stress. But this is actually an easy DIY hairstyle that you can sit at home and do it. Like, you don't need like anybody to help you. Like, I could have done it by myself, but I'm like, I have my sister, why don't I, you know, give her the opportunity to have fun in my hair. All right, so I'm going to be using this edge hair wax from Tessa Hair Wax. Yes, and basically what she's going to do now, she's just going to plait like 2 rows of my hair so that she's going to do the crochet braiding technique, but she just wanted to plait like 2 rows just so that it can be as natural as possible, so you don't see the cornrows at the front but only at the back. So that's what she's going to do. She could have done the entire hair, like plait the entire hair, but yeah, I really don't want that, to be honest. I just wanted the crochet because it's easier. So basically she's just plaiting my hair with the edge tamer. As you can see, basically plait the front 2 rows and cornrow the back, and I'm just going to show you so you can have an idea of how it looks, right? And this, guys, is not very, what do you say now, it's not tight or anything, it's just normal, like it feels okay. And then for the sides, like I don't like when, you know, when they braid the hair and then the sides, sometimes it's like painful, so I told her to like actually she did it herself to leave the side, but I always complain about the sides, you know, pulling too much on my hair. So basically what she's gonna do now, she's just going to install it, and this is like self-explanatory, so I'm going to shut up and let you watch this, because somebody told me in one of my videos that, oh, I talk too much. Not sure, yeah, but let me just stop talking and just sit back, relax, and enjoy this portion of the video. Okay, I'll come back to you later on when the hair is completed. All right. Okay guys, so yeah, as you can see, this is our finished look and I am loving it. Oh my god. I am loving it. Yes, so the edge control did a great job. This is an edge control from Tessa. Yeah, that's her name. I'll attach her information if you want to go and check it out and so forth, the edge control and so forth. But I am feeling myself. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm just extra. Like, I really love how it came out. Like, I love how it, you know, it looks as if my entire hair was like, I did like what do you call it now, faux locks. I did like faux locks from the root and not crochet braid. Yeah, I really love it. So she's just spraying some scalp spray on my hair and so forth, and then I was just like, you know, feeling myself singing and all of that, and I decided that I didn't really want to do this style, but I'm just showing you how long the hair is, and I decided to do this one. But I really love it, and I don't know, I think this hair suits me because it's a lot and it kind of gives me this African, I don't know, whenever I like wear hair like this, it always gives me this African vibe. Yeah, so I think maybe later on and so forth, I'm going to be applying some like accessories. Not now, maybe some other video you'll see me doing stuff like that and just playing with it. But I really love it, and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Yes guys, this is it for me, so see you in the next one. So this hair is so nice, I love it, love the quality and so forth. So if you want to check out this hair, like, it's so cheap, it's like $50, like super cheap, super nice, and yeah, like really nice, period. Yeah, so this is it for me guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.